Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and which devices use iCloud Drive so you don't lose anything unintentionally. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to see backups and devices. On a Mac, open System Settings, Apple ID iCloud. Once done, disable iCloud Drive sync on each device and sign out where appropriate. This prevents immediate root loading and ensures you can safely remove files from iCloud. COM later. Next, use iCloud. COM for precise control. Sign in with your Apple ID, open iCloud Drive, and review top-level folders first so you know what to remove. Select items or entire folders, delete them, and then go to Recently Deleted. Deletion there still holds files for 30 days. If you want permanent removal right away, choose Delete All in Recently Deleted. Make sure devices are offline or signed out, while you confirm deletions to avoid sync conflicts and accidental restoration. Finally, confirm that storage reflects the removals. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, Manage Storage. On Mac, use System Settings, Apple ID iCloud Manage. Remove old device backups and app-specific data to reclaim space. Once your cloud is clean, sign back into trusted devices and re-enable desired syncs. If something goes wrong, files reappear or sync errors persist, sign out of iCloud on the affected device, restart it, then sign back in. That usually resolves dangling sync states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.